Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change your app language on CapCut PC. So sometimes you download it and it's in Chinese or it's in some other language. Sorry. You can either go to settings here and select settings again. Go to the very right and select the language that you want, and then press the blue button. If you're on a video project, you are going to select this menu up here. And you're going to select the first one without the arrows. Again, select the most right one. And then select the language that you want. Select the blue, and it's going to restart. Select the blue again. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!